right now at the numbers. 74 and 51 today, and 68 and 50 would be the norms. 89 is the record high in the state. 39. All these are in the 30s now. We're going to see some of those 30s too as we get on into the weekend. Just beginning to push into the state. That will move on through, and as it does, we'll get the showers, maybe some thunderstorms in front of it, and then we'll get a few showers behind it. The big thing behind it, we're going to get an awful lot of precipitation, or not precipitation, an awful lot of drop in temperatures. Precipitation moving in right now. This is earlier today. And you can see how those showers and some thunderstorms are pushing right into our area right now, and it could well be raining where you are now, and it will be raining where you are very, very shortly because it's moving on in. Look at those overnight. Not going to be a big rain event, but the big thing is it's going to be awfully cold after it comes through, and that's what we're not going to like about the weekend. Let's take a look right now at the other computer. And you can